I'm gonna show you your worst nightmare. Dun 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 dun. Check engine. What code is that? It's pretty cool. I really enjoy this. I finally don't know where I am. They think I'm lost. So here it is, very simple. You just scrape off the outside and outline it. Draw it, you know, there's a little sharpie thingy. Poke that out and see how much I actually carved out. And then from the inside, you gut it out. And then you can see how you can see my hand from here. That's how much you have to scrape off. And you simply use a spoon. That's pretty much it. Hey little baby, focus, look at me. Ah ha ha, ah ha ha.